to show you a remarkable photograph. This is taken today by Reuters. It's aerial footage taken by drone, and it shows men, prisoners. Excuse me, this is Monday. It shows men, prisoners who are being held at the Bluebonnet Immigration Prison in Anson, Texas. They're out on the yard at the facility, and the prisoners know that the drone is there. You see them waving to the drone, making sure that they're being seen. They are signaling to the drone, signaling for help, using their bodies to spell out SOS. These men may be among the many people the Trump administration is trying to send to a prison in El Salvador with little to no due process and no way to get before a judge, to get out, to ever get back home. The Bluebonnet Immigration Prison in Anson, Texas, where these men are, that's the same one where the Trump administration earlier this month told 50 of these men they would be shipped out of the country imminently. Buses full of men were already on the road, presumably headed for the airport, with huge numbers of law enforcement cars in escort. But the ACLU got a last-minute emergency order from the court. It blocked the administration from sending those prisoners away. The buses and their law enforcement convoy escort passed the airport exit, turned around, and came back to that facility in Anson, Texas. For weeks now, the whole country has been watching the high-stakes court battle over prisoners like these, and specifically over the fate of Kilmar Abrego Garcia, whose lawyers deny that he is a member of a Salvadoran gang called MS-13, which is what the Trump administration alleges against him. The Trump administration has variously said they sent him away by mistake and also not by mistake. The district court judge in that case and the Supreme Court have ordered the Trump administration that they must facilitate Mr. Abrego Garcia's return to the U.S. The district court judge has been demanding that the Trump administration tell her what, if anything, they've been doing to get the guy back. Last week, in a somewhat mysterious turn in that case, both the Trump administration's lawyers and lawyers for Kilmar Abrego Garcia, they agreed that they would essentially put the issue aside for about a week. They would delay any further proceedings by mutual agreement for about a week. And given how fast-paced this court case has been going, it was a little bit strange when they made that decision. At the time, we didn't know why both sides in the case would agree to that pause. Well, now tonight we do. Because tonight, Kilmar Abrego Garcia's lawyer has told MSNBC the reason for that week-long pause was because the Trump administration said it would, quote, take steps to return Mr. Abrego Garcia to the United States. That is why his lawyers agreed to the pause. And that, of course, is a big deal. The Trump administration has been saying publicly they don't have the legal authority to bring this guy back. Now his attorney says Trump administration lawyers told the judge, actually, they are working to get him back. They just needed a few days to get it done. Well, a week later, nothing seems to have happened. The lawyer for Mr. Kilmar Abrego Garcia telling us, quote, it remains unclear what, if anything, the government has done in the past 7 days to bring our client home to his family. And all of this comes, of course, as the president himself told ABC News last night that he could get Mr. Abrego Garcia back if he wanted to. He just doesn't want to. It'll be interesting to see how that lands in court. Throughout these many immigration cases, protesters and lawmakers have kept the pressure up by showing up. But it has been judges who have been holding the line, and it has been lawyers who have been rushing these cases into court in the most dire of circumstances. One of the lawyers leading that fight has been the ACLU's Lee Gallant. He joins us next. Stay with us.